welcome you all. A warm welcome to the IDCT installation ceremony, uh, Viti Vidni Vichi 2020.
Vedi Visi, which literally translates to I came, I saw, and I conquered. These were the famous words of Julius Caesar in 47 BC when he won the Battle of Zela.
So I've gone to a lot of clubs, I've given tons of keynotes, but this one is really special because this is my club and I'm giving an address at my club, and so it's really special a moment for me. So I go around telling everyone to be our best. This year as Program Quality Director, my goal or my hashtag or my mantra for the entire year is going to be how we can enable everyone to be our best.
I'm here to pass on the baton to Krishna and his team, but also it makes me feel that somebody is taking up a role with such a great humility. I'm very happy for that. But here, I would also want to thank the rest of the officers who were with me for the past 6 months, and I would like to felicitate them.
We began the new term and the new year with a note of self-introspection. The theme of the meeting was resolution. We had the feedback session, and here are the points of improvement which we received.
Now, I would like you to write in the chat box, so far, what have you got out of Toastmasters? As it so happens to all of us, the reason we join and the reason we stay are two very different things. So the reason I stayed is because I got a lot of benefits which led me to upgrade myself.
Dear new members, you are joining the worldwide organization that has helped more than 4 million people learn to communicate more effectively. As members of the IBC Titan Toastmasters Club, you will benefit from a proven program of self-development.
I want you to show a virtual thumbs up if you've been pushed into a swimming pool at the age of 6. Thanks to my swimming coach, that happened to me the very first day I joined my swimming classes at the age of 6.
Now, for me, the leadership is very simple. The leadership is all about you create an environment and everything else will be taken care of. You just think about any of the great leaders in the world, which as for you is a great leader.
Can you read this? 30 seconds starts now. Chetna, there you go. Yes, Chetna.
I think it is right to left. If you can read this, you are reading backwards.
Now, I request the elected officers to please come forward and join me on this virtual stage. As I call your name, please come up and stand in the following order to the right of the lectern. Distinguished Toastmaster Vanita Rangarajan, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I absolutely will.
Toastmaster Vidya Saminathan, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Toastmaster Anita Nagendra, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Toastmaster Chaitanya Sai Ganne, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Toastmaster Chetna Ramanna, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Toastmaster Muntazim Ahmad Khan, Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Toastmaster Krishnamurthy Armugam, as a member of IBC Titans Toastmaster Club, as well as its leader, will you work with your executive team and the club members to make this a vibrant and a rewarding club this term and help every individual with honesty, loyalty, and empathy?
Yes, I will.
This term, as a team, we would love to improve the quality of the meeting with fine detailing and give an enriching experience to all our members and guests. We love to bring more creativeness in each meeting going forward, whether it could be creating posters or taking roles or preparing reports. I promise you all that we are going to witness the quality of excellence in our club.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to have the honor of delivering the vote of thanks on this momentous occasion to the wonderful gathering we have here.